Alright, so down here we want to use this space to show the meta title and description. Alright, and then that text will be clickable later, because I told you earlier this card we will be using for not only to show the preview here while the user is trying to create a post. Later on the home page we will be showing all these posts that we have in the database, we will display here. So that time also we will be using the preview component. So that time when they click on these URLs, the title and description, that text section, when they click we will open a new window where we will show the web view, right? So if it is udemy.com, the udemy.com website we will display here as a web view, which will be pretty cool as well. Web view is very very interesting, because basically you can just show the web view. So even though it's a mobile app, you don't have to build the entire application, you just basically show the web view. So basically you are rendering the website on the mobile view. So that is the quick and dirty way of building mobile apps. You don't actually build any you don't use any native features of the mobile application. Instead you just use the URL to display the web view on the mobile device. Anyways, so we will explore that as well later, how to work with the web view. But for now let's just focus on showing the preview. Codecontinue.com, learn coding online. Alright, so we want to show the open graph title and description. That one we can put underneath the image. So here I'm going to use touchable opacity so that we can give them this nice push effect, effect like that. So here on press we have to execute a function which we don't have at the moment, we will implement later. For now user don't have to click anyway, this is just for preview. Alright, so here view, inside view let's use text and then show the open graph title, open graph title, which you can see it's right here. Okay, so that's how it looks. Awesome. Next one, let me just copy that, paste here, and use this for open graph description. Beautiful. Now this looks it doesn't look right, so let's apply some CSS. Actually this is the text component from Colorado React Native Text, so it's nice and easy to style. We just give this the props value, so this one a medium. Okay, I think we have to do some custom styling here just to put a bit of a gap because it's too close to the image. So style padding top 5, height 50, okay, so that's for the open graph title. Now for description we use semi. Okay, actually let's apply some styling on this view. Style padding 5, height 50. So this styling we want to apply here, not here. Okay, so let's cut that out, and here we want to add padding top. So padding top 5 and then padding bottom 5 as well. So bit of a space on top and bottom. All right, that looks good. Now so inside view we have the both text, so this one we can give this a prop semi. Okay, so that looks a little bit small and faded, so that looks pretty good. All right, so that's a nice preview. Awesome. StackOverflow.com. Okay, so it's looking good. So we have the preview card. Next, we can focus on sending this post to the backend so that we can finally save it in the database, right? And then we will fetch all the links, display on the home page, and then reuse this preview card to nicely display all these links with preview. And we will be adding more icons here as well. We will implement likes, unlikes, how many views have been there. Okay, so if you haven't checked out the preview, I will quickly show you just in a second. So let me actually remove this one. Here, the JSON string file, let me just comment that out. Okay, so we're good to go. So next we will be working on the handle submit. So this function will get executed when this button is clicked. So let me quickly double check that. Submit. We are sending title, link, and we will also be sending the URL preview as well. So this preview, all this information we will need to save in the database so that later when we show it on the home page, we have everything we need. Okay. And by the way, if you're curious how it looks, let me quickly show you. So this course, while I'm recording, it is also available here on my site codecontinue.com. Any course I create, I will be. So this is the finished project. This is what I will make them available here while it is in the development. So if you can follow along with me, because it takes a couple of months to prepare the course. So that's why I will pre-release these courses here. Anyways, so let me show you. Okay, so this is how it will look. You can see each card we will display on the home page. We will have the search feature as well, and you will learn how to align all these icons right on top of the card, and you will implement like, unlike. You will show the how many views, the created date, and the user who created. Okay, it's going to be pretty awesome.